Hi beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going outside on my back porch and I'm going to get it all clean, nice and tidy today. Right now this is a mess. This is the after effect of Hurricane Helene that not too long ago came, and guys, with it, it brought like a lot of rain, a lot of winds, and a lot of stuff was just like knocked over back here, turned over. So I'm just going to go back and make it back nice and tidy because this is my happy place. This is where I come to after work, like a long day of work. This is where I relax and enjoy myself. So I have to get out here and make it back nice and tidy. So in South Carolina, guys, a lot of people are still without power. So my thoughts and prayers are with them, and hopefully and prayerfully they're able to gain their power back. And if you have been impacted by Hurricane Helene in any way, my thoughts and prayers are with you as well. So the goal of the video is just to be motivational today. So if you need to get some cleaning done, go ahead and grab yourselves like a broom or mop or duster, whatever you got to do, and let's get cleaning together. Or if you just want to sit back, relax, and enjoy the video, go ahead and do that as well. Just make sure you grab your favorite fall beverage. All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and just jump right on into it.
Don't wanna think about the past. I'm crying out behind a mask. So give me something for the pain. I wanna lose myself again. Please get out of my mind. Just get out of my sight. Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself. Oh, I knew how this would end. How I knew that it would die.
Alright guys, so I hope that this camera is not making you dizzy. I did have a fan blowing out here as I'm sweeping. I'm one of those people where I just love having a fan on. It can be like freezing cold and I will still have a fan blowing. If you're like me, go ahead and put that in the comment section just so I know that I'm not alone. Like, I know there got to be more people out there that sleep with the fan on even though it might be cold. I'm outside, the weather is feeling good. I still want the fan on me. I like the sound of it. I like the feel of it. But nonetheless, I just hope that it's not making you dizzy, guys, because I know it's been blowing the camera around just a little bit. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and take everything off this table here. It's been quite dusty, so I'm just going to use some of my Zep formula and just get this clean and tidy and just put things back. You will see me put like a little bit of fall decor in here, like a pumpkin. Not much. I'm not doing much back here. I'm just going to go ahead and just put everything back together, just make it back neat and organized. plant here that you see in the corner, I'm gonna go ahead and move it actually more into the corner with my leg. It's so heavy that I can't lift it up, so I don't want to put any strain on my back. So that's why I'm kicking it with my foot and kind of move it into place. But I used to have this on my front porch, but because my front porch is much smaller than the back porch, I decided that it would fit better on the back porch instead. And I just love the fact that it looks real, but it's actually fake, and no one can tell the difference unless you're like up on it, like real close. But yeah, I think it adds like a great wow factor to the porch, and it brings everything together.
trust. I belong to you, and I'll always be around when I need some loving, baby. And I'll never let you down, let you down, let you down. I'm your song, and you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, 'cause baby, we got chemistry. You give me feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars, written in the stars. You, me, forever.
I feel so much better after the porch has been nice and tidy. When I walk out here, when I want to enjoy myself, now I can really feel comfortable in the space of mine. And if you're new here to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed today's video. And don't forget to hit the notification bell too, so you can stay up to date with new videos. And if you're returning, guys, thank you so much for still rocking with me. I appreciate all of you to the fullest. Don't forget to take care of yourselves and also your families. And I'll see all of you on the next video. Bye.
Never let me down.